In today's do-it-yourself video, I'm going to show you how I made Louise's painting table. So we've got this beautiful pine bench. It's just a laminated timber, and we're going to turn it into a table for Louise's studio. And it's a perfect size. We've just done the underside of it with a primer to keep it sealed. Now we're going to put the legs on it and flip it over and give it some proper paint for the top side.
We brought these 4 steel legs to screw into the base. They just take 4 screws each.
So the legs are going to sit somewhere in here like this, and then we're going to screw them in to the top side.
This little cardboard piece I'm using here is actually a distance measurement from the end and the side of the table. And I got Louise to help me prime and paint the table. And after a bit of sanding, 2 more top coats of gloss white, we put it in place in Louise's studio. And here it is finished, and then this is what it looks like when it's fully in use.
So that's the table, and Louise had a lot of use out of it until we built her studio, but that's for another video.